Welcome to our channel. Today we how to record screen on iPhone step by step clearly. To record your screen on an iPhone, begin by unlocking your device. Swipe down from the top right corner of the screen to open the control center. If you have an older iPhone, swipe up from the bottom of the screen instead. Look for the screen recording button, which appears as a solid circle within a ring. If you don't see the screen recording button, you need to add it to your control center. To do this, go to the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap on Control Center. Next, tap on Customize Controls. Find Screen Recording in the list and tap the green plus icon next to it. Now, return to the Control Center by swiping down or up, depending on your iPhone model. To start recording, tap the Screen Recording button. You'll see a countdown of 3 seconds before the recording begins. While recording, a red bar or a red dot will appear at the top of your screen. To stop the recording, tap on that red bar or dot. A prompt will appear asking you to confirm that you want to stop recording. Tap Stop to save your recording. You can find your screen recording in the Photos app. Open the Photos app to view, edit, or share your recording as needed. And that's how you easily record your screen on an iPhone. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.